This is case in point 6-4, record the journal entries from a bank reconciliation. So once we complete our bank reconciliation, any of the changes you've made on the book side, you are going to need to make a reconciliation for, because we want cash to tie back to the adjusted book balance. Your ending cash in your general ledger should tie back to the ending adjusted book balance on your bank reconciliation. So the first item that we need to record is the $600. And the $600, if you recall, was collected by the bank for Nathan's Donut School. So we would record that. We know we received cash. We're going to have to debit or increase cash with a debit of $600. And we'd also want to wipe that notes receivable off the books. So notes receivable will be credited for $600. Bank charges, the $75 bank charges also need to be recorded. So we know that cash would be decreased. The bank charged us a fee. We have to decrease our cash. It was already decreased in our bank account. We need to decrease it in our books. And then we would use an account called bank charges or miscellaneous charges to debit for that expense for our bank charges. And the third one, we have the $250 non-sufficient check. Now what you want to do with these NSF checks is you want to open up a receivable so that you can bill whoever had the NSF check for that check. So we'll open up an accounts receivable for HHO. We'll debit, because we're increasing our accounts receivable with a debit for $250, and we'll credit the cash because that cash was pulled out of our cash account. And you will make these journal entries at the end of the month so that your ledger balance matches to the adjusted book balance.